Good morning, students, and welcome back. Today we are going to study the chapter of 12th class, that is admission of a partner. And in admission of a partner, we are going to study the topic that is treatment of goodwill. In treatment of goodwill, we are having different four topics. Today we are going to study the topic when the amount of premium for goodwill is bought by a new partner. First, try to understand that goodwill is of two types. First, goodwill appearing in balance sheet, and another is goodwill shown in adjustments. Goodwill appearing in balance sheet is known as the purchased goodwill, whereas goodwill given in adjustment is said to be the valued goodwill, जो हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में वैल्यू करना सीखा था. So goodwill appearing in balance sheet will be written off in old ratio among the old partners. Whenever I am talking about the old ratio, that means we are going to distribute it in between the old partners only. New partner will not be entitled for this amount. So the journal entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill, and it will be written off in old ratio. Right. Now, if we talk about the goodwill which is given in adjustments, that is also known as the valued goodwill. That has to be basically adjusted in the sacrificing ratio. So goodwill given in adjustment is to be bought by the new partner in cash, else his capital or current account will be debited, and the goodwill if bought is known as premium for goodwill. So this goodwill is to be adjusted in sacrificing ratio. The journal entry for this will be premium for goodwill account debit, C's current account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account, and the amount will be written as premium for goodwill. में हम जो amount लिखेंगे, that will be the amount which will be bought by the new partner. Current account, that is if bought. In current account we will write if the goodwill is not bought by the partner, and it will be adjusted in the sacrificing ratio. Being goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio, let us understand by a fresh example. When the new partner brings the amount of goodwill and capital, first entry will be bank account debit to premium for goodwill and to C's capital, that is new partner's capital. The amount will be written in the columns. Now the second entry will be premium, as the new partner is going to bring the goodwill amount. So premium for goodwill account debit if any partner is gaining, that is when we are calculating the sacrificing ratio and the ratio comes in negative, then he means he is gaining. In that case he will be debited in this journal entry. So gainer's capital account will be debited to sacrificer's capital account. The amount will be written and being goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio. This C's current account, which is if he is not bringing, will be explained to you in the next class of mine, right? So let us take an example to understand this, but before that we just need to understand that these four entries are supposed to be passed when the new partner brings the amount for goodwill. First points to be followed when the amount of goodwill is bought by the incoming partner. So first entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill. This entry is for writing off of the goodwill which is given in the balance sheet, that is the purchased goodwill, in old ratio. Next entry for the amount of cash and capital bought by the capital and premium for goodwill bought by the new partner, that is bank account debit to premium for goodwill and to C's capital account. The amount will be written here, and the narration will be being goodwill and capital bought by the partner. So next entry will be premium for goodwill account debit, gainer's capital account debit to sacrifice capital account, and the amounts will be written as per, being goodwill adjusted in the sacrificing ratio. The next or last entry, it may be there that whenever it is stated in the question that the goodwill brought by the new partner is withdrawn by the old partners, in that case we will write A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank. This goodwill is withdrawn either fully or partially. So the narration will be being goodwill brought by the new partner is withdrawn by old partners fully or partially. So let us now understand this all by an example. A and B were partners in the ratio of 3:2 with the capitals of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh, and new partner C is admitted for 1/4 share, for which he bought 1 lakh as capital and 30,000 as his share of goodwill in cash. Partners withdrew half of the goodwill brought by the new partner. One more line I would like to add, that the goodwill appearing in the books is rupees 1 lakh, which is not given in this sheet. I'll write it on the 6th page. Don't worry. So A and B were the partners. So A and B had the ratio of 3:2. New partner C was admitted for 1/4 share. This is the old ratio. And I had already told you in the previous class how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So I am just writing it down. The new ratio will be 9:6:5. Sacrificing ratio will come to 3/20. That is 3/5 minus 9/20. And same. Now calculate the goodwill of the firm on the basis of new partner if the goodwill of the firm is not given in the question. New partner had bought the goodwill amount, that is 30,000 rupees. Calculate this 30,000, multiply this 30,000 by the reciprocal of his share, that is 1/4. Now we get the goodwill of valued goodwill of the firm. So the valued goodwill of the firm will be 30,000 into 4/1, that comes to 1,20,000. Now multiply this 1,20,000 with the sacrificing shares of A and B. So A's share is 3/20. So 1,20,000 into 3/20 comes to 18,000. Same way, B's share will be 1,20,000 into 2/20, that is 12,000. Now the journal entries. I had added this goodwill appearing in the books for 1 lakh rupees. Now just try to understand. First entry will be to write off this goodwill. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill account. Here the amount is 1 lakh, which is appearing in the books. This 1 lakh will be written off in old ratio, which is 3:2, 60,000 and 40,000, being goodwill written off in old ratio. Now next entry will be for the goodwill and the capital bought by the new partner. So the journal entry will be bank account debit to premium for goodwill and to C's capital account. He is bringing the capital of rupees 1 lakh and the premium for goodwill is 30,000. Sum up these two and write it in the bank column. So this is the being goodwill and capital brought by the new partner. Let us talk about the third entry, which is for the treatment. Now it will be premium for goodwill account debit. And when we calculated the sacrificing ratio, none of the partner had gained. They both had sacrifice. A's sacrifice was 3/20. B's sacrifice was 2/20. So we will credit them both. So to A's capital and to B's capital. A's share was 18,000. B's share was 12,000. Now we will sum this and write it here. Now just check this amount and the premium for goodwill amount. Is it same? If it is not same, then there is something wrong in this. Otherwise, it's correct. Now, half of the goodwill bought by the new partner is withdrawn. So the journal entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank, and the amount will be half of 18,000, that is 9,000, half of 12,000, which is 6,000. Now sum this up and write it in the bank column. So being goodwill brought by the new partner is withdrawn by the old partners partially. This is not the complete withdrawal. अगर complete होती तो ये हम 18,000 rupees को इधर लिखते, इस 12,000 rupees को हम इधर लिखते और यहाँ पर 30,000 rupees आते. So this is all. Please pause your screen and copy the questions so that you can practice well. Thanks and have a nice day ahead. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.